So if you want to fix this problem, what you have to do is to first of all go to your phone menu, scroll down below to the S section and try to tap on this, which is the settings app. When you tap on it, scroll down when it's open, then you tap on this option, which is the app management. Now tap on the first option when it opens, which is the app list. Wait for it to load, then after that you tap on these three dots, tap on the show system, tap on the share application. Now tap on Google, then tap on PO. Google Play Services, tap on it. Then after that, what you have to do next is to make sure this is turned on, which is the notifications. So make sure allow notification is turned on. Go back and tap on the storage and card. Tap on the clear cache. Now go back again and tap on this mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure this background data is turned on. So after doing this, you have to go back and tap on this full stop. Tap on OK. Now you're gonna see this. After that, what you have to do is to go back and tap on this Google Play Store and make sure you do the same thing. So tap on the notifications, allow notifications, make sure it's on. Go back and tap on this storage and cache. Clear cache, tap on it to clear it. Mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure its background data is turned on. So after doing this, you have to go back and tap on the full stop, which is down below. Now tap on OK when this pop up. Look at the top, you're going to see some three dots. Tap on it, tap on uninstall updates. Then you make sure you tap on OK over here. So after doing this, what you have to do lastly is to restart your device or reboot your device. So tap on the power button for a while. You're going to see these two options. Then you tap on the restart, don't tap on power off, or else you're going to do double job. You turn it off and turn it on again. But try to restart it and so get them off. Then after that, it's going to turn it on. Do you get me? Automatically it's going to off and turn on back again. So when you can find restart, maybe other devices or your device, when you can see restart, you're going to see something like reboot. It's already seen. Just try to reboot or restart your device, and this problem is going to get fixed. If it doesn't work well for you, please let me know in the comment section down below, and I'm going to help you out with a different trick. See you in our next video. Bye.